Test, test, test. Appreciate you guys for tuning in, and I think the website had the time off because according to Twitter, it's already happened, and from what I've seen, they have already pretty much posted his last statement that he wrote. And if you look here, only thing he said was all praise to Allah in every situation. I don't know. How do you guys feel? I feel like Missouri didn't get this one right. I feel like they executed an innocent man, didn't have no evidence to prove that he was guilty, and just like that, another innocent man has been executed in Missouri. See what else they got on Twitter. Kind of agree with what she said. State of Missouri has failed Marcellus Williams. Mike Parsons has failed Marcellus Williams. We the people have failed Marcellus Williams. Country's a fucking joke. You can hear no laughter at all. Kind of my sentiments. I think they already did it. I think this website is probably off by hour, but everything I've seen on Twitter, I've already done it. That's his last statement before they executed him. I don't think I haven't seen anything yet. Let's check CNN, see if they posted anything, or actually let's go to a website, a news station in St. Louis. Yeah, see that's a weird thing because I remember that back then as well, but I actually haven't seen anything that confirmed that he's been executed. None of the websites, none of the news stations are providing updates, so I don't know what's going on right now. Hopefully, some last minute was able to, or someone last minute was able to step in and halt it, but I haven't seen nothing yet. Because everything's saying 6 p.m. Central. I'm actually in Missouri, and other than people protest this, I haven't heard anything. You see, there's no official confirmation that it's been done, so I don't know what's going on. See, here's something else that's crazy. So I'm actually in Kansas, Missouri, and there was a guy in Kansas City that was murdered by the officer. His name was Cameron Lamb, and then I think in that situation, Governor Parsons actually thinking about pardoning that officer. He was charged with involuntary manslaughter, but it doesn't make any sense. The cop was tried, went to court, found guilty. Plenty of evidence. The guy was um, not even armed, but for some reason, I mean, Governor Parsons, he wouldn't grant stay of execution for Marcellus, but in this case, he somehow determined that this officer should be exonerated. So I don't know what's going on in Missouri. Let me see if I can get my audio right. There you go.
How does hope apply to where you are right now in life? And I hope a miracle happens. You know what I mean? I hope it's all I wish is to free my father from underneath enslavement and spare his life. What would you say to the Supreme Court if you had the opportunity to testify on behalf of your dad? I would try to make them see that this is a murder on their behalf, and this is wrong, you know. And I believe my father is truly innocent, and they need to take a closer look. Have you allowed yourself to even get to Tuesday right now? Yeah, I already put it inside my body that I would be a witness to it, to the execution. I'm standing firm and show my dad he's not alone if this what it comes to, and I'm ready for it. My mindset, my spirit, strong. Like I'm doing this for my dad. It's bigger than me. So for me to be there in that time, if it comes to that, it's like an honor. I'm gonna see him off. So if this is the way that he going out, you know, that he is.
Bernie, I'm not sure if it happened or not. We haven't seen anything that's confirmed it. Somebody dropped me a link where they seen that it was posted. That's what I was thinking too. Innocent Project would have had something posted by now, but I ain't seen nothing from them yet either. I don't know. It looks like there it is. Damn, man, this is crazy. Do you guys know if they got like a Twitter or something? News Innocent Project. Yeah, you can down there. Anybody can buy a blue check mark. So yeah, I agree. Twitter is, but if you can't find anything from a credible news source or like an actual news website or anything, like how would Newswire or whoever they are, how would they had that information before anybody else? See, Newswire. Alexis, we not sure. That's what we're trying to find out now because there's nothing posted except for Newswire saying that he was executed. See, like this was posted 6 minutes ago, but it'd be different if they linked like a website or something that says that. But I don't know if this is credible or not. See, this is the thing they got me. If the prosecuting attorney, a couple judges, and even the family of the person of the victim are saying let's not execute him, he's willing to just do. He's not even asking to be let free. He was just asking, hey, can you guys at least what I'm saying, not execute me and give me life in prison? I mean, everybody was fine with that, but how? That's why I'm kind of iffy when it comes to death row. You have people that are not even really have no direct connection with you, determine if you live or you die. Now I can understand if you do a crime, there's plenty of evidence and there's absolutely no way that you can claim that you're innocent. But when you have a situation like this, there's like no evidence. There's no murder weapon tying you back to it. There's no physical evidence. There's no DNA evidence. It's basically hearsay. You have two people that came forward who claim to be witnesses that were nothing but, to me, two people that seen the opportunity to cash in on some reward money. But other than that, I mean, besides him having a criminal history, it's like what other, what is it that you can honestly say, hey, he's guilty of? Damn, man, that's crazy. That is insane. I don't think it has anything to do with them paying them because if I'm not mistaken, I don't think Missouri is one of the states that pay you for wrongful conviction. I might be wrong. Yeah, and the witness that had the laptop actually was his girlfriend. That's the crazy part. And she's one of the ones that testified as being a witness. So he received the laptop from her, which, let's be honest, the people end up with stolen property all the time. But she gave him the laptop and then turned around and testified against him. Said that he supposedly told her that he did it. Just insane. Let's see. It must be a ton of people on the website because this website is loading slow. Let me see. Yeah, they still ain't said nothing, which is odd to me. They said 6 p.m. Central. I'm in Missouri, so I'm in Central Time. 6:26 here, and I haven't seen anything. The Guardian. Let's check the Guardian. In the past, they've had uh, I don't know how too familiar you guys are with executions, but in the past, because I've I've paid attention to lot of them. But usually outside the prison, they ring a bell or ring, basically give you confirmation that someone's been executed. But I haven't heard or seen anything yet. I have wishful thinking that maybe something at the last minute was a step somebody or something at the last minute prevented it, but I got my doubts. Yeah, this is giving me like real life anxiety. It's crazy. Hopefully something didn't. Hopefully it didn't happen. That's what I'm hoping. Well, that statement was written. If you see it was signed and dated on the 21st. TikTok. Let me see. Oh, this is stupid. Why am I not hearing the audio? There's audio with. Damn, so it was confirmed by his son. Oh, she's not even live. Oh, we back.
Oh God. Not right now. Not right now. Move around. Move around.
You're saying doing nothing but looping. Anybody else got another link? Fox 2. Damn. Yeah, this is Fox 2 right now. It says despite protection and from the prosecutor's office that sent him to death row, sent him to death row, anti-death penalty advocates, as well as calls for clemency from the victim's family, and two men famously convicted. Blah, blah, blah. Williams, 55, died via a lethal dose of whatever that is. The execution was carried out just after 6 p.m. on September 24th at Eastern Reception Diagnostic and Correctional Center. Damn. Fuck. Oh my God, that's crazy. That just gave me chills. That's crazy. That's insane. Pure disbelief. Yeah, justice for Felicia Gale, but it needed to have been the right person. There's no way you can tell me that they executed it or they punished the correct person. There's no way. All right, man. I appreciate y'all for tuning in. I gotta go clear my thoughts. It's insane. Absolutely insane. All right, guys. Well, I appreciate you guys tuning in. Hit that subscribe button. This is not gonna be the last that I even talk about this. I'm gonna do a little bit further research because I got a feeling that the true or the facts are really gonna come out, and I think Missouri is gonna end up at some point in time admitting that they executed the wrong person because there's no way you have no evidence pointing towards this man, and somehow the system failed him and he was still executed. This is absolutely insane. Absolutely insane. Crazy. All right. I don't even know what to say. Appreciate y'all. Complete bullshit.